In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text vertical in Google Docs. Whether you want to create a visually striking design element or simply need to format your text in a unique way, transforming text into a vertical format can give your document a fresh and professional look. Let's dive into the process and explore how you can achieve this effect easily using Google Docs. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Docs website. Once there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already done so. After you've successfully accessed Google Docs, you'll see a list of your recent documents. Choose the document you want to edit by clicking on it, or create a new document if you're starting from scratch. With the document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the Insert tab. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu which provides a wealth of options to enhance your document. Look for the option labeled Drawing and click on it. This action will open a secondary menu with another option, New. Go ahead and click on New to open the Google Drawings interface. You should now see a blank canvas before you. To start working, find the text box icon in the toolbar at the top and click on it. Your cursor will change, indicating that you're ready to draw a text box directly onto the canvas. Click and drag to create your text box. Once it's created, you can click inside it and start typing the text you wish to make vertical. With your text entered and ready, it might be a good idea to adjust the font size to suit your needs. The font size option is available at the top of the drawing window, helping you ensure your text is the perfect size for your document. The next step is key to achieving that vertical look. Head over to the Actions tab in the top menu of the drawing window. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option titled Rotate. Hover over it and a sub-menu will appear. Select Rotate counterclockwise 90 degrees. This will rotate your text box and give your text that vertical alignment. Once you're satisfied with the orientation and size of your text, you'll want to save your work. Look for the Save and Close button in the upper right corner of the drawing window. Clicking this will insert your newly created vertical text into your Google Doc, seamlessly integrating it into your document's content. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed ordinary horizontal text into an eye-catching vertical design element right in Google Docs. Don't hesitate to experiment with different font styles or colors to suit the theme of your document. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time for more tips and tricks.